Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you 3 different ways to reset Microsoft Edge browser. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings. From here go to apps, go to installed apps. Now in the search box, search with Edge. Click on these 3 dots, click on modify and finally click on repair. So once the process finishes, your Microsoft Edge will get back to its default. In the second method, search for run, and in the run dialog box type %local app data % and click on OK. From here go to the Microsoft folder, then go to Edge folder, user data folder. Find and delete the default folder from here. Now if you get a similar error while deleting, simply right click over taskbar and open Task Manager. From here, close all the running process of Microsoft Edge. Now click on Try Again and this should delete the folder. Now open Microsoft Edge and set it up as per your preferences. In the third and final method, simply search for run, and in the run dialog box type %local app data % and click on OK. From here go to Packages folder, and among all these folders locate the Microsoft.MicrosoftEdge folder and delete it. Now close this window, search for Windows PowerShell, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now go to the video description and copy this command line. Paste it in PowerShell and hit enter to execute it. Once successfully executed, close the PowerShell window and open Microsoft Edge, and it's done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.